My name is Maya, and today I want to tell you about my day at school. This morning, I walked to school with my backpack. The weather was cool, and the sky was bright and clear. When I arrived at school, I saw my friends at the gate. We said good morning, and we walked inside together. The school hallway was busy. Students were talking, laughing, and going to their classrooms. I went to my class and sat at my desk. My teacher smiled and said, "Good morning, everyone." We started our first lesson. It was English. The teacher taught us new words, and I wrote them in my notebook. After that, we had math. We solved simple problems, and I tried my best to get every answer right. During the break, I went to the playground with my friends. We played tag, ran around, and laughed a lot. The playground was full of happy sounds. Then we returned to class for science. Today, we learned about plants. My teacher showed us pictures, and I listened carefully. At lunchtime, I sat with my friends in the cafeteria. I ate my sandwich and drank some juice. We talked about school and games. In the afternoon, we had art class. I drew a colorful picture, and my teacher said, "Beautiful work, Maya." When the school day finished, the bell rang loudly. I packed my bag, said goodbye to my friends, and walked home feeling happy. It was a busy day, but a very fun one. Now, let's learn some important words from the story. The first word is backpack. A backpack is a bag you carry on your back. It is for your books, pencils, and other school things. For example, I put my books in my backpack. Let's say it again, backpack. The next word is hallway. A hallway is a long, narrow passage inside a building that connects rooms. At school, the hallway is where students walk between classes. For example, the hallway was busy in the morning. Let's repeat. Hallway. Let's look at the word notebook. A notebook is a book with empty pages for writing. You can use it to write down notes or new words. For example, I wrote the new English words in my notebook. Let's say it one more time. Notebook. Another useful word is playground. A playground is an outdoor area where children can play. Schools often have a playground with swings and slides. For example, we played tag on the playground. Let's practice. Playground. Our next word is cafeteria. A cafeteria is a place where people can buy and eat food, especially at a school or a large company. It's where you eat your lunch. For example, I ate lunch with my friends in the cafeteria. Let's say it together. Cafeteria. The last word for today is sandwich. A sandwich is food made of two pieces of bread with meat, cheese, or other fillings between them. It's a common lunch food. For example, I ate a cheese sandwich for lunch. Let's say it one last time. Sandwich. Great job. Now let's practice using these words. I will say a sentence with a missing word. You can try to fill in the blank with one of the new words. Ready? First sentence. I carry my books to school in my what? That's right, backpack. I carry my books to school in my backpack. Second sentence. We walk through the to get to our classroom. What is it? Yes, hallway. We walk through the hallway to get to our classroom. Third sentence. I write down my homework in my what correct notebook. I write down my homework in my notebook. Fourth sentence. The children are playing happily on the where? Exactly. Playground. The children are playing happily on the playground. Fifth sentence. We all go to eat lunch at noon. Where do we go? Perfect. Cafeteria. We all go to the cafeteria to eat lunch at noon. Last sentence. For my lunch, my mum made me a turkey. What did she make? You got it. Sandwich. For my lunch, my mum made me a turkey sandwich. You did a fantastic job today. Learning new words is a great way to improve your English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.